Nlightend Smarrt Technology is a professional charging stations manufacturer. The factory and warehouses cover an area of more than 50,000 square meters. Total employee over 800 persons, which compose a group of high-efficient, rich experienced and professional R&D, production management, sales and marketing and after-service team to serve all customers, especially OEM, ODM customer. Our factory is certified by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, IATF 16949. All products are executed in strict accordance with the automotive manufacturing quality management specification. We have a vertically integrated, efficient and high-quality production system. The main board and charging module are all developed and produced by the factory in-house. The main product line includes portable chargers, AC charging station and DC charging stations. Certificates include CQC, Energy Star, CE, CUS and FCC. The products are sold to many countries and meet the standards of China, Europe and the United States. Our goal is not only to adhere to the core value of innovation, efficiency, value, common win, but also respond to the national green development, energy conservation, and emission policy actively in order to provide stable clean energy products for the global society.